Alright. I've always wanted to draw this character forever. I've always wanted to draw this Pokemon for a really long time. This Pokemon is one of my favorites. Oh, you want to know who I'm drawing? Master Designers, meet Golem. The Megaton Pokemon. Golem is a rock and ground type and was last seen as one of Team Rocket's Pokemon. Golem is really one of the strongest of the rock type Pokemon. And, well, seeing this guy in action, it really gives off a glow. Back then, I didn't know who Golem was when I was in 6th grade. I found out... I didn't know much about him. All I found out was what he looked like. But afterwards, I learned a lot more about Golem, and now I finally know more about him. Now let's get drawing. Alright, we draw Golem's body. His attacks are Heavy Slam, Tackle, Defense Curl, Mud Sport, Rock Polish, Steamroller, Magnitude. I hope Walking with Dinosaurs has a sequel. Now we just draw his finger, his hands. Now we draw Golem's toe. Alexa, what is a meteor?
According to Wikipedia, a meteoroid is a small rocky or metallic body in outer space. Meteoroids are significantly smaller than asteroids and range in size from small grains to 1 meter wide objects. Objects smaller than this are classified as micrometeoroids or space dust. Most are fragments from comets or asteroids, whereas others are collision impact debris ejected from bodies such as the Moon or Mars.
I feel like this is what Golem looks like. There. Now Golem is complete. Let me just... And done. There he is. That's Golem, everyone. Another classic Pokemon finished. Who's your favorite Pokemon from the Kanto region? Golem animal molds leaves behind their shell that makes for good fertilizer when incorporated into the soil. This Pokemon can easily stand up to an explosion, but it really hates getting wet. There's Stone Edge, Earthquake, Stealth Rock, and Double Edge and Bulldoze. Rock Blast, Rock Throw, Stealth Rock, and a bunch of others. I'm glad you guys enjoyed this episode. Anyways, I'll Stegosaurus. See you later. Let me know what awesome character you want me to draw next.